Meticulously maintained home with open floor plan, great for entertaining. Kitchen boasts island and granite countertops, pantry, stainless appliances, numerous cabinets, drop lights over island. Formal dining room, under stair storage, and half bath on first floor. Numerous closets, oversized primary bedroom and bath, office niche, and laundry room upstairs with cabinets. Home positioned strategically on the large corner lot. CoolWall ynar heat reflective fade block coating system on exterior of home with lifetime guarantee and transferable warranty. Full gutters, new garage door opener and springs, all new appliances, home security, full irrigation, playset in backyard conveys. Backyard fully fenced with 6 vinyl.